AudioLink is a universal connectivity device that lets you stream sound from your favorite media devices. This video explains how to pair it with your RONDO 3 audio processor.
Before using AudioLink, you need to pair it with RONDO 3. First, switch on AudioLink by pressing the main button for 2 seconds. The light will indicate it is on. Switch off your audio processor. Then place RONDO 3 over the center of the keypad and switch it back on. When it's successfully paired, the left and right connection symbols will light up.
If you're a bilateral user, make sure you pair both of your audio processors one after the other, using the same procedure as before. Now you can start streaming music, phone calls and more to your RONDO 3.